Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to get notified on WhatsApp when products goes out of stock in Shopify. Alright, so the idea here is that you have created an e-commerce store of yours and you are selling your product online. Now whenever any of your product got sold out or goes out of stock, you want to be informed about that so that you can update your inventory and add more products. Right, now to get this done you have two ways. One is that you keep manually checking your website and see that if any product goes out of stock and add the product on regular basis. But guys, if you are receiving hundreds of orders on daily basis, this process can take a lot of your time and can be very problematic for you. So we have a better way for you. Let me explain here with an example. So let's suppose that you have created an e-commerce store with the help of Shopify application. So as we are using Shopify here, you can also use any other application to create your store. And whenever your product got out of stock, you want to receive a notification about that product here on your WhatsApp account. Right? Now to get this message here automatically, we are using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So what Pabbly Connect will do, it will connect these two applications, and whenever your product goes out of stock here from your Shopify store, you will receive a notification here on WhatsApp automatically. Right? So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and the best part of it is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this automation or connection between your e-commerce store and WhatsApp. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection or automation between your e-commerce store and WhatsApp is going to work in real time.
So guys, this is my Shopify store and I am selling all these products here, and one of my product, which is this Dell laptop, is going to be out of stock. This is only one piece remaining in my Shopify store. Let me show you my Shopify's inventory. So this is my Shopify's dashboard, and here you can see this Dell laptop is one in stock. So it is only one remained in stock. So whenever someone purchases this product of mine, this will go out of stock, and I want to get informed about this because this is my store, so that I can manage my inventory and buy and add new products in my store. So I'll show you. I'm going to buy this laptop on the behalf of my customer, and we will see if I receive the intimation of this product getting out of stock in my WhatsApp account here. Right? So I am clicking on this product. And so now I'm going to click on buy it now, and you can see this is one of my customers, 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗖𝙀𝗻, who have logged in this Shopify account, and she have all the details here. Right? So I'm going to click on continue to shipping. Alright, so I am going to click on continue to payment here. After this, here I am going to put the demo card or test card details. So this is not original card details. We are just giving you an example, a demo. So I'm putting the required details here. Now I'm going to click on pay now. So you can see the order is being processed, and you can see thank you 𝗪𝗵𝘆. It is saying the order is confirmed here. Right? So the order is confirmed and this product get out of stock. So let's check in this WhatsApp account. So we have received a new message here. Let's see. And it is saying, hello Aqib J Khan, this is an alert informing you that the product name Dell laptop ID this has gone out of stock. Right? So this is an intimation I have received about a product of mine getting out of stock from my store. Now I can update my inventory and add new products. So this is how it's going to work. Now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here without any manual compilation of this message. When my customer, which is this, made a purchase of the product which is only one remained, and as and when it got out of stock, I received a message here. So you can also do this. Let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or integration between your Shopify store and your WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your Shopify and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Shopify with the help of webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Shopify store with Pabbly Connect. Step 2 is collect the new order data from Shopify in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll bring the data of the new order that has received here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 is send the notification on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So finally, we'll send the notification that our product get out of stock on the WhatsApp account. And to do this, we are going to use an application which is called 360 dialog. So I'll tell you what 360 dialog is and later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So first of all, you have to open your browser and type Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. And this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products option and click on connect. So from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. So I have already done this. So I'm going to click on sign in directly. So after this all apps section of Pabbly will open up, and from here come to this panel and click on access now. So this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Right, so to start working here, you have to create workflows like these. So to create a workflow, you have to click on create workflow button like this, and here you can enter a relevant name for your workflow. So let me give the name. So I have given the name as notifications from Shopify on WhatsApp. Right, now click on create here. So when your workflow get created, you will see these 2 things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these 2 things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new order from Shopify and the product get out of stock, and the action would be send the notification of the product on the WhatsApp account. Alright, so first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window. And from this choose app, choose your application as Shopify. This is Shopify we have. And after this, you have to select this trigger event as product updated. You will find this product updated option. Select this. So this will generate a URL which is called as webhook URL. So by using this URL, we are going to connect our Shopify store with Pabbly Connect. So you just have to copy this URL from here and you have to go to your Shopify dashboard. So this is my Shopify's dashboard. Then here you have to click on this settings, which is on the bottom left corner. Then you have to click on this notifications option. And from here you have to find out the webhooks option. So you'll find the webhooks option here. And here you'll find this create webhook button. Alright, so click on this create webhook button, and here in the event option you have to select product update, which is this option, product update option. Select this, and in this URL field you have to paste the copied URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. So paste it here in this URL field. And in this webhook API version, select this latest version. Right, now click on save here. So you can see it is showing webhook saved successfully. Alright, now let me show you in my Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. This means now when a new order get placed of the product which is going to be out of stock, the data of the person data of that order get captured here in Pabbly Connect. So let us see in my Shopify store. So here you can see in the product section of my Shopify store, here we have iron press, which is left 1 in stock. So let's buy this iron press on the behalf of the customer, and let's check if the data of the order get captured in Pabbly Connect. So I'm opening the store. So I'm opening the store and I am going to catalog, and from here I'm going to buy this iron press. So I'm clicking on buy it now, and here I have all the details filled already. So I am continue to payment, and here I will fill the test card details like this, and then I am clicking on pay now. So you can see the order is getting processed here, and it has started showing thank you so much, and the order is confirmed here. Let's check in Pabbly Connect if it has captured something or not. So it is still waiting for the response, and now you can see it has received this type of response here. You can see it is showing the details of the order, right? Okay, now to make sure that I receive the notification only when the product goes out of stock, I am applying a function by Pabbly here which is called filter. So here I am clicking on this plus icon, and from this choose app I am choosing this filter application by Pabbly, and here it is asking select label. So here I am going to select a label which is received here in this first tab, and you can see in this label it is showing inventory quantity equal to 0. Alright, so after purchasing of this product that we have purchased, which is the iron press, the inventory quantity started showing 0. So now I'm in this select label option, I'm going to select this label. So you have to map this label from this Shopify products updated option. Click on it and you will find the label here only. So you will scroll down and you will find the variants inventory quantity equal to 0. So map it, make the filter type equals to, and pull the value here 0. So we are saying to Pabbly Connect, when this inventory items quantity will be equal to 0, then only you have to send the message to me. Alright, so when I click here on 7 send test request now, you will see the status is showing success and the condition is true. So when the condition matches true, this workflow will continue and I will receive a message. Now it is time for our next step. Let me show you the step. So our next and the final step is send the notification on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Alright, so now we are going to send the products notification on WhatsApp, and to do that we are going to use this application which is called 360 dialog. Now I'll tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to use. So in Pabbly Connect, click on this action window, and from this choose app, choose your application as 360 WhatsApp by 360 dialog, and in this action event you have to select send template message. So now you guys are wondering why we are using this application. Actually, to send messages on WhatsApp you must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. So 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application we can send messages on WhatsApp directly and easily. Now click on connect here, and this window panel will open up, and if you are making the connection with 360 dialog for the first time, you have to select this add new connection, and if you have already done making connection once in a different workflow, you can use choose existing connection option. Now let me show you how to make the connection for the first time. So I am selecting add new connection, and then it is asking the API key and the domain name. So from where you will find these two things. So you have to go to a 360 dialog account and move to WhatsApp's account page, and then you have to generate an API key. So let me bring you to my 360 dialog account. Here it is. So you can also set up your own 360 dialog account, and to do that, let me suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description. So by using that link, you can avail the services of 360 dialog in very affordable prices, right? So here I am in my WhatsApp's account page, and here you can see this button, which is generate API key button. So by clicking on this generate API key, you can generate an API key for your own, and you have to copy that key and paste it here in this API key field. After this, you will get the domain also while generating the API key, which will look like this. Alright, so generally the domain is this only, so you can paste this same link here, or you will get the link while generating the API key, so paste that domain key here. After this, click on save and your connection will be made. So as I have already told you that I have made the connection before with 360 Dialog in a different workflow, so I am going to choose this existing connection and clicking on save. So generating the API key is one-time task only. Once you generate the key, you can use the same key for making the connections in future also. Right, so you can see it is started showing connected here, and then it is asking for the template. So what are these templates? Let me show you in my 360 Dialog account. I'm going to click here on manage templates option, and you can see these are the templates we have. So let me open one for you. So guys, templates are nothing but the messages we want to send on WhatsApp. Alright, so to avoid spamming, first you have to create templates of messages here in 360 Dialog. So to create a template, you have to click here on add template button, and here you can name your template. You can select the category of your template. You can select the language and you want to send the message, and you can select the template's type, and here in this body field you have to write the main body of your message. Right, after this, just click on submit button. So after submitting your template, the WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will review your template and approve your template. So the standard time of approval is 30 minutes to 48 hours they say, but in real time it takes only 1 to 2 hours to get your templates approved. So once your template got approved, you can use them to send messages on WhatsApp directly. So here in Pabbly Connect, it is asking for which template I want to use. So when you click on this template field, you will find a list of all the approved templates you have in your 360 Dialog account. So the template I am using is this out of stock template. This is the name of the template. So I am selecting this. So after selecting the template, this namespace field and the language code get automatically filled up. And after this, it will ask for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to enter your number. So I am entering here my number because I want to get informed about the products getting out of stock. So here you have to fill the number like this. You have to put a plus sign first, and along with the country code, which is 91 for India, you have to fill the number. So after filling the number, it will ask for these body fields 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what are these body fields? So let me show you the template in my 360 Dialog account. So here you can see I have this outstock template. I'm opening this, and here you can see after hey this 1, 2, 3 and 4 in double curly braces. So these are the actually body fields of the message, or the variables of the message we have. So these are the things which are going to change with every new message. As you can see, after hey, we are going to put the name of the person, and in this second body field, we are going to put the product's name, which is going to change with every new message. The ID of the product is going to change. Alright, so after regards, you can put the name of the store. So if you have more than one store, this can also change. So to get these body fields filled automatically with every new message, you have to map the values of these fields here in Pabbly Connect. Alright, so let's map the values. So in this body field, click here, and you can manually enter the name. So in this case, I am entering my name only because I want to get informed about the product. Right. After this, in this body field 2, you have to map the product which is getting out of stock. So you'll find the product name here in this Shopify option, where we have captured the data of the order. So you can see here is the title of the product, map the title. And in the body field 3, let's see. Okay, in the third body field, we have to map the ID of the product that has generated. So you'll find the ID in this Shopify option. So this is the ID, map it. And in the body field 4, you can enter the Shopify store's name. So I'm entering here Team Shopify just for example. All right. Now when I click here on save and send test request, this data we have mapped will be sent as a new message according to our template to the WhatsApp account. So let me click here on save and send test request. And you can see it started showing this type of response and we have received a new message. Let's check in the message. And the message is this. Hello, hey 𝗏𝗪𝗯�ស៊, this is an alert informing you that the product name Iron Press ID is this has gone out of stock and the regards and Team Shopify. So in the body fields, you can see the data is same as we have entered or mapped here like this. All right, so the connection is working properly. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger option, we selected the application as Shopify, and in the trigger event product updated, and with the help of this URL we connected Shopify store with Pabbly Connect. After this, we made a purchase and collected the data of the order here like this. Then we applied a filter to say to Pabbly Connect that when the inventory item equals to 0, then only run the workflow and send me the message. Then we connected 360 dialog application to get the message, selected the template and mapped the required body fields and all the details. And when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen that we have received this message. All right, now just click on save here. Now let me tell you one more important thing, that is you can make this workflow run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account, because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks for every new month. All right. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. And we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description box so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start.
So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.